I usually build native Mac apps, but Windows users, this one is for you. If you're a teacher, you probably hold 90% of your daily schedule and responsibilities entirely in your head. The human brain is a terrible database. Let's fix that without a 40-step Notion productivity system. Step 1. Go to app.planwellmd.com and create a local vault. It's easy. Step 2. Unload your mind. Stop overcomplicating it. Just dump your brain into 3 sections: long-term planning, daily classes, and weekly teaching goals. It's just text files on your computer. If this workflow doesn't fit you, nothing is locked in, you keep all your data. Step 3. Go to the Chrome Web Store and download the PlanWell extension. You don't need a massive calendar app open all day. This extension just sits in your browser and tells you how many minutes you have until your next class begins. Step 4. Breathe. Stop looking at the clock. The web app and the extension are completely free because I built them for myself, but you can use them too. Links are in the description. See you later.